Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Barry here with Epic, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Strike Big Boy by Throne Cycles. I'm super excited about this bike. It's a bike for our younger riders, for any kid aged 6 to 12, or mentally or physically 6 to 12 years old. So this bike does have a 180-pound payload, so it can handle weights of even adults here. So let's crack her open. We'll unbox her, take a look at it, build it, put it together, and give you a quick overview of this awesome bike. Ooh, look at that! Full motorcycle banana seat. Comes with a bag, a storage bag on the top, which is really nifty. The kids can store their phones, wallets, keys, whatever it may be. Actually, a really nice bag with some nuts inside. Okay. Look at that polished chrome. That looks great. I don't think there's too much to do here. Probably just unpackage it and attach the handlebars, make some final adjustments. But the bike, as you can see, pretty much comes fully assembled, including both the wheels intact. Okay, so we got mechanical disc brakes here with that nice BMX style U-bar handlebar. Yeah, so let's take a look at this charger. We have a little manual, little toolkit, and the charger. So the Big Boy, it's a 36-volt system. Has a 10 amp hour battery. All right, so I'm gonna attach the battery. We're gonna wanna put the connectors in. You're gonna see it here. Should just slide in, I suppose. And then I'm gonna lock her in place. Now she's locked. Make sure to lock it, because otherwise it can maybe fall, you know what I mean? Especially if your kid's riding rough, jumping around, make sure she's locked. Also, so nobody can just pull the battery out. So now I can't even push her out. Wow, this bike looks awesome. Look at that, the Big Boy. Got these handlebars on. This features a 350 watt rear hub motor, 36 volts of power, which is gonna give it a top speed of about 30 kilometers per hour. So some serious, nice speed for a young boy, right? For a big boy. And range-wise, I would say you can expect anything with a 36 volt, 10 amp hour battery, by the way. You should probably expect a range of anywhere from 20 to 35 kilometers. You got the bolts, you wanna go in a crisscross pattern. Don't go all the way tight. Do it slowly. Beauty. I'm actually building this bike for a very special customer who's upgrading from his Ultra B. Big boy. His name is Street Ninja. This will be his new whip for 2026. Now, honestly, this bike is perfect for any kid, you know, young boy looking to get started. I would love this as a kid, no doubt. Look at this. Oh yeah. You know what? To be honest with you, kind of fits me. There's a power switch, I guess, on the battery. I just touched that here, as you can see right there. Now let's try again. We got power. All right, so yeah. Looks like we got a full tank of gas in this Big Boy. Actually shows almost like a gas gauge over here if you look at the display. And then you got your different odometer readings. So odometer reading in gears. Looks like we got 3 gears, so level 1, 2, and 3. Let me just try for a second. Oh yeah, this is good. It's got some good oomph, I'm not gonna lie. It's good. Solid brakes actually too, from mechanical disc brakes, they're great. But yeah, as you can see, You know, I'm about 180 pounds, about 5'10", and it's actually not bad. Honestly, not too bad for me even. So this is pretty good. This bike, really hot bike. I think, in my opinion, the hottest kids bike of the year. This is it right here. The Strike, big boy, full banana seat, so motorcycle look. Comes in various colors. Currently we have the chrome, which can be seen here, or the Strike black if you want full black edition. We got that too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's available right now. Right now it's retailing currently, I believe in the States for about $900, and here in Canada for $1249. And they're in stock and available. You can check them out on epiccycles.ca. Buy yours today. Limited supply. My watch keeps talking to me. If you got any comments, questions, please feel free to drop a line below. Love to hear you out and get back to you if any questions you might have. Otherwise, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more awesome content. I'm out of here.